Hello festive friends, Katie again with you today, and we're going to take a look at another new product that we've been sent in kindly. It's the Yeti Blackout USB microphone for all your podcasting and all your overlays on the computer. So first and foremost, I'm just going to have a quick look at the box. As you can see, it has the Yeti microphone on the front. To the side, it's got all the instructions. The little Yeti does look a bit like an abominable snowman, but I'm pretty sure you can maybe do a little bit more. Other instructions are on the back. It's pretty self-explanatory. The box is a lot of fun. People who are really into their computers, into gaming, into podcasting, they're going to love this for Christmas. Another great buy for the festive season. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to unbox the microphone, get out the instructions and let you have a really good close look at this. Okay, so I've unboxed the Yeti Blackout microphone. I don't like the sound of polystyrene, so I really just wanted to do that off camera before we started the recording. As you can see, it's quite big, not very bulky, fit in any sort of room, any sort of area. This is one of the most versatile microphones, condenser microphones out today. It can record anything, it'll pick up all the sounds. It's got 4 different functions. Basically, you've got your stereo, your cardioid, your omnidirectional and your bidirectional. Basically, cardioid is the one we would use for podcasts, your general day-to-day talking over the internet. So I'm just going to place them down and let you have a really good close look. Okay, so now you can see a really good close look at the Yeti. As you can see, it moves back and forward pretty easily. I'm going to go through some of the functions that you've got. You've got the triple capsule array. It'll capture any sound in any environment, in any situation. So that's great, really handy if you're in a nice quiet room. It'll capture everything that you want the Yeti to capture. You've got 4 pattern selections to choose from: stereo, cardioid, omnidirectional and bidirectional, as I've stated before. The microphone gain, which is on the other side, I'll just tip him here. As you can see, this here is just a little dial that you can turn to your own sensitivity. So if it's a bit loud, you can turn. Basically, it's as you see fit. Record, turn it back and forward, see how it works, see what you would really want, or hear, more to the point, what you want to hear. You've got the blue logo at the front of the microphone. So this lights up when it's already connected in, so you know you have to turn it to you. So the blue light should face you. You can set the screws to keep the microphone in place. As you can see here, it's just these. Easy turn, not difficult to do whatsoever. You've got the volume control, headphone output, and of course you've got the USB connector. As you can see right now, we have not connected the Yeti Blackout straight up to our computers, but what we're going to do is later on in the review, we're going to connect them up. We're going to show you, we'll let you listen to our recording using the Yeti, and then you can see just how well it does perform.
Hello festive friends, welcome back. We thought that we would do the voice overlay as promised for the Yeti Blackout in the video, and we just wanted to do a little bit of a sound clip so you can hear the quality of the voice itself and how powerful the microphone performs. You might even hear the clock ticking in the background. That's just to show you how far the sound can be picked up on the microphone. And I'm just going to have my colleague tap on her keyboard just now. If you heard that, she is sitting roughly 3 to 4 meters away from me, and that's how far away it can be picked up on. So let's get back to the video.
The bottom of the Yeti, I'll just turn him round so you can see. This has got really good grip. It's not going to move on any surface. Once it's on the surface, honestly, it's not going to move. I'll just place him down. As you can see, he's pretty sturdy. Not going to go anywhere. You can pick him up here. Just whatever you want to do. In the instruction manual, which you do receive in the box alongside obviously the USB cable, you'll get to choose what mode you want. Just follow the instructions. As I said before, it's really easy and simple. And basically that's everything. So festive friends, just a quick heads up, we're also going to be doing our new podcast really soon. We're hoping to launch it this year, and we will be using the Yeti Blackout as our main microphone. So you'll get to hear just how well it really does work. Zero latency, mute buttons, you name it, this little guy's got it. Don't worry, he's not going to be roaming around in the fields like the abominable snowman. He'll be set straight up next to your computer. So that's everything from me just now, and I hope you've enjoyed this demonstrations. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel because loads more, loads of how-tos. Don't forget to take a look at all of our other videos and see what you like. That's all from me today. Bye!